Hello dear friends, this is the Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to delete your YouTube search history. There are videos here that you have watched and you want to delete them. How do you do that? It's very simple. To do that we go into the YouTube app. Then you click on the icon of your account. Now click your data in YouTube. Now go down a little bit lower and see here Manage your YouTube search history. After that we see a list of all the videos were watched, as well as all of the queries were entered into the search. It's all there in this place. You can delete each request separately. We can also delete the search history for today or previous days, as well as for all time. After that, all search history and queries will be deleted. We can also set up Auto Delete. To do this, click here and select the time interval. That's such a great and easy way. That was the Apple Fruit channel. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.